and girls, welcome back to my channel. I do hope you're doing well. I am coming to you from a very cold, rainy, windy southeast England. Oh god, guys, this weather is no joke, is it? It is absolutely freezing, and the wind, oh my goodness, the rain. And also I just thought, oh, you know what, I'll check Iceland. Iceland might have a volcano erupting, so I'm like, you know what, everything's really not in our favour at the moment, is it? I'm like, fingers crossed I still get out. But this made me want comfort food, and of course, you know, I'm going to do comfort food to feed an army. So went over to good old BBC Good Food, but I've tweaked it ever so slightly. So the recipe that I have is for a pumpkin and chickpea curry. I have pumpkin, I have chickpea, I also have mushroom, onion, pepper, chicken. We're having a whole feast, okay? I thought, you know what, I'm gonna adapt it slightly. And I'm also adapting it because in terms of the ingredients, it's almost like a red Thai curry one. It asked me to look for a Thai yellow curry paste. I couldn't find that, so I'm just using the red Thai curry paste that I've got. Bit of veg stock. Gonna have some basmati rice with it, a little bit of naan bread. Mum is out, so by the time she gets back, the dinner should be done. We have de-autumnified the house. It's looking very, very bare at the moment. I mean, actually, let me just show you, because we've got to do another trip to the lockup. That's just autumn bits. That is like my cups, mugs, cookware, decorations, flower bits we've got there. So I'm going to the lockup one day next week because I also need to see where the rest of my throws are, because I've got a couple of boxes spare here. I want to kind of swap, and what is that on the bottom there? Oh yeah. I need to swap and change a few things around because yeah, we need to start getting ready for the Christmas bits. However, guys, you might be thinking your hair is still not done. I'm having a bit of a drama with my hair at the moment, okay? So we're just gonna bear with me. It's gonna stay like this for a moment until I know what on earth is going on. My hairdresser, I found out was ill. I found out on Instagram, and it was the day before I was due to have it done. And I was messaging because you know what I'm like, guys, if I've got something booked in, I do get a little bit like, ooh, especially the day before, and I'm like, I've paid, la la la, so I've been going to her for years, and I didn't hear anything back for almost 12 hours, and it was just not working, I'll be in contact soon. And I'm like, I was planning to do Christmas content this week, and I don't want to do Christmas content with my hair like this. So yeah, we're still sneaky Halloween pajamas, but yeah, I don't know what's happening. I don't know what's happening, it's stressing me out. I spoke to a girl who used to do my hair as well, my friend's cousin, and I'm just like, look, can I do this myself? Can I bleach it and strip it and put glue on it? She's told me absolutely not. So I'm like, I need to know what's going on. So I'm going to wait a couple of days. If I don't hear from my hairdresser, I'm going to have to be like, if it can't get done, I'm going to have to go back to another lady that used to do it, because I'm pulling my hair out, guys, because also it's so close to Iceland, and with this type of colour you've got to let it set for a couple of weeks before you then wash it, and I don't want to then go into the blue lagoon and literally turn the water blue. It's not a good thing, is it? So ShannonLeighxx, stop rabbiting. You're going to see a pan over of the bits and bobs, and then let's get this stuff cooking, okay?
I know it's a little bit too much for sure, so cold, but we're always coming back for more. It goes in this wicked game, it's all for sure. Oh, I've got you. If we figured out what it's all about, takes a second and then we're back it again. Coaster ride for the triggered minds, but I don't ever want us to stop it. Go ahead, to let me smile for all I care. Just wanna stay close, don't say that. Ain't gonna leave.
I think I burnt the pan already. My bad. Sorry, Mum. Just my luck, eh? I am completely winging this, guys, because I actually don't have a clue how this is going to go, okay? So it's literally a case of a wing and a prayer. Let's just say that. The liquid to go into it is veg stock and, what was it? Veg stock and coconut milk. Which you would think, like, coconut milk just drop the lid. And the curry might not go, but apparently, so we will have to see. But yeah, as I say, this is the perfect meal now, I think, for this weather. So I said to Mum, best believe there's tons of pumpkin soup. Oh, fireworks. It's actually firework night when I'm filming this, guys. There is going to be plenty of pumpkin soup in the freezer. And also now, there's going to be plenty of pumpkin stew. Well, curry. And I actually don't mind that because I want to try and start saving a little bit of money before Christmas, because me and my partner go out every lunch and it's not cheap, you know. I've just realised I've used all the water for my rice and I need it actually for my veg stock. So that's great. Let's put you on a little bit of a time lapse and see how this goes, eh? Definitely going to be a pumpkin curry. Never opened these ring ones, guys. I think I'm breaking them now. Oh, is it under? There we go. Oh, that's not how I remember. Oh! Oh, that's not how I remember. Oh! Oh, that's not how I remember. Oh, guys, have you seen that? Oh no, Mum's gonna go ape. Oh, guys, it's everywhere. Oh, why is it hard? All right, hold on a minute. Mayday, mayday. There's coconut milk everywhere. Oh God, guys, look at this. We need to get this cleaned before Mum sees. Look at that. Oopsie. Mayday, it's gone on my slippers. Where are we? It's gone on all of my dressing gown. Oh no! I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Do I do this? Do I do? Right, hold on, let me do veg stock cubes. I can't even open. Guys, that shows how long I haven't used freaking coconut milk for. Oh, the milk's gone. Oh, I don't even know if I've got a backup curry sauce. You know, like just chucking a cornmeal or something. Oh no, she's gonna go ape. Let's quickly do the veg stock. And oh great, now my kettle's leaking. Guys, what is going on today? Oh my God. When I tell you, this week has been stressful. As I say, I think the whole thing with the hair is just completely thrown me off. It's actually just, I don't know what I'm doing, guys. I actually don't know what I'm doing. And I think you're on the wonk on the coffee holder, so I do apologise for that. I'm going to now, oh God. Oh no, good job we get plenty of kitchen roll, ain't it? Right, let's just, this could only happen to me, eh? Let me clean this up and I'll be right back, because now my arm is drenched in coconut milk. What is a cooking video without a blooming disaster, eh? Guys, Mum is officially going to kill me. The coconut milk has gone down in the gap between the glass. And me being me, I thought, oh, I'll get a little brush and try and... No. So when Mum comes back, she's going to say, what on earth? She's going to try and clean it. And then I'm going to be like, no, Mum, it's actually gone down in the glass. So I'll pay to have the oven clean. And guess what? Pumpkin and chickpea curry. And what did Shan forget to put in? Chickpeas. I am honestly away with the fairies this week, guys. As I say, it's just, everything is disorientating me. The weather, what's been happening, and yeah, I'm just, the curry seems to be coming along good. I don't feel like it's going to be as thick as Mum wants it. And I've just looked, I ain't got cauliflower either. So if anyone knows of anything of which you can use to thicken something up without having the use of cornflour, please do let me know, okay? Because yes, I am I'm having the right amount. I have found a butter chicken sauce, so if all worse comes, we can put a bit of butter chicken sauce in. But yeah, this is how it is looking at the moment. I've just took the lid off, not too bad. And then yeah, look guys, this is the oven. So it's gone right down the crack. And all I know is that I'm gonna get absolutely obliterated out. But you know what? Have no fear, because I fancy some cider. I'm not gonna lie guys, look what Dada got me. His friend went to Cornwall and brought me some scrumpy cider bag. And you know what? I think after the past few days, I deserve a cider. This is lovely as well, scrumpy. Cornish scrumpy from Healy's. 6.8% volume, absolutely lovely, and goes down a treat. And I don't mind. I'll save Mum just a little bit in case she wants any, but yeah guys, one of them weeks. And you know, you just think, I was sitting there and I was like, there's something I'm missing. Chickpeas. And then I saw that and I cleaned the front and I thought, maybe it's gone down the back. Cleaned the back and I looked at it and I thought, it's gone down the middle. She's absolutely going to obliterate me because we've not even had it 6 months yet. I don't think. I'm just like, oh no. So yeah, I will tell her the truth. I mean, I would say I'd like to think she would have noticed, but she is gonna, and I mean, I'm gonna say to her, like, just put the oven gloves over the top, because if you put the oven gloves, we might, I say might guys, we might be able to disguise it. Okay, we can disguise it with oven gloves for the minute, but the minute that she takes them oven gloves off, we're screwed, okay, we're screwed. So everything is cooking now. I think we just have to leave this to simmer, but I do want it to thicken up a bit, so I don't quite know what I'm going to have to do. As I say, if you guys know anything, if, say for example, you don't have corn flour, could I use regular flour? Like a few little tablespoons to thicken it up? I don't know. I don't want to do it just in case. If it comes to it, I might try and drain a little bit of it out and then add a bit of the curry sauce. Oh, I've got a firework display right outside the window here. Guys, what a chaotic vlog. What a chaos. I'm just going to sit here, drink my cider, and roll and wait when Mum comes in. Oopsie. Look who is here. I'm not in complete trouble with the oven. No, that's all right. I was like, oopsie. But yeah, I said it's safe to say it ended up being a disaster in the making, but you would have seen that it don't actually look that bad. And we've got 2 big portions with some naan bread. I didn't want to crack open the poppadoms because I'll end up getting addicted. But so I have completely adapted this recipe, but I will put how it should be online. I did end up draining some of the liquid and adding the butter chicken sauce, so it's kind of like a red Thai butter chicken. It's not spicy. I've been adding herbs and bits and bobs, but obviously Mum don't do spice. No, that's all right. Looks nice, thank you. Well, actually, that's quite nice.
Did you put both the tins of chickpeas?
And
what's these big things?
Pumpkin.
Yeah. Well, that's good.
I said we might have some.
Shannon?
Well, it's part coconut milk, part stock, part red Thai curry paste and part butter chicken. Not spicy. A little bit. A little like twang.
Oh, it's nice.
But it's not spicy. What drink have you got?
Cider. Not
the scrumpy that I've got.
No, not the Dada I'll give you. Yeah.
So yeah, and I said, oh, we might have tons left from leftovers. No, I think we'll probably polish that off tomorrow for lunch before me roast dinner. Because there's not a lot left.
No, and also with you, if you do that, you've got the nice crusty bread, haven't you? Yeah.
So I feel, because we're trying to get into the festive spirit, I'm going to watch a video with Mum, which is about the Lush advent calendar.
All right.
And it's like 180 quid, so...
All right.
We'll see if it's worth it or not. And
what about the wheel?
The will we will put on later.
Oh, right.
But yeah, time lapse of us stuffing our faces. And I said, I'll show you the clip when I was doing the coconut milk. I said, after the week I've had this week, when the coconut milk dropped, I was like, oh, this is the last thing I need.
It's only a little dribble. And when you said it's gone down the thing, I thought that it exploded in the oven, like gone up, and it's gone all down the thing. But there's a little bit in the glass where the glass is the door, isn't it?
Slip down in the thing.
Oh, don't worry, don't worry. Worst things at sea. You've made a lovely dinner, thank you.
Let's roll a time lapse. Two empty plates. We just watched actually we watched 2 advent calendars. We watched the Lush one and then we watched the Disney Swarovski,
which wasn't very good, was it?
And then we've just been having a look at Swarovski and bits and bobs, because I need to start doing my Christmas list. I feel very late. Normally you have it on 1st November.
Don't worry.
There you go. But you know what, guys, that might have been a palaver. We might have ruined the oven with the coconut milk, but it actually weren't a bad curry.
I think, viewers, I can unscrew the thing and clean it, but don't worry.
I don't think it was a bad curry in the end.
No, it was nice, nice.
And there's still portion left. We've still got a bit of rice, so we can have it for tomorrow.
We've got crusty bread.
So we'll be having that as leftovers. But yes, as I say, have
I got to do a 9 out of 10 or whatever?
Go on then, give it your rating.
9.5.
What could have given the half?
Well, I didn't want viewers to think I'm being favourite to you. 10.
I actually thought
A
it was
10
quite
from
nice.
Lynn.
I thought it was quite nice. The pumpkin was nice.
Yeah, it was nice, yeah.
I'm now going to get under. I'm going to put my electric blanket on because it has got a little bit. You can feel the temperature's dropped now.
It's 9 o'clock.
Yeah. You're going to watch the Will on +1.
What with you?
No, you're going to watch. I'm going to try and chew. I've got to edit this video.
Oh, I can't. What station's it on?
We'll have a look. But yes.
Because I can't get +1 only on RTV, can I?
I will have to have a look in a minute. But yes, that, as I say, for the weather that it's been, I thought we needed a good curry thing. And as I say, BBC Good Food, I'll leave the proper recipe down below.
Yeah, it's good.
However, I still adapted it as always. But yes, guys, if you did enjoy this little cooking video, you know what to do. Hit that thumbs up and subscribe down below and leave us a comment. What did you think it turned out like? But we're not going to ribbit rabbit and ruin any more of your day or take up any more of your time. Take care, stay safe as always, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.